Jilin-1 Kuanfu-02B-07, Y2. Orienspace Technology, Shandong, Co., Ltd., Orienspace for short, successfully launched on a southern trajectory a solid-propellant expendable medium-lift launch vehicle Gravity-1 with the Y2 mission from special converted barge, Fang Hang Tian Gang, in offshore waters of Haiyang Port in the Shandong province in eastern China. This launch flew 3 satellites, Jilin-1 Kuanfu-02B-07, Jiangsu Dizhi, Shutianyuxing 01 and Shutianyuxing 02, to low Sun-synchronous orbit. The flight took place on Saturday, October 11, at 2:20 Coordinated Universal Time or at 12:20 China Standard Time. Jilin-1 Kuanfu, wideband. The Jilin-1 wideband, Kuanfu, wide, constellation at the moment consists in 2 generations of satellites. The first one, Kuanfu-01, features a high-resolution and wide field-of-view telephoto range imager providing a multispectral resolution better than 4 meters and a swath width greater than 136 kilometers, and high-speed storage and high-speed digital transmission systems. 3 satellites of this generation have been launched, all on board Long March 2D rockets, between January 2020 and May 2022. The second-generation satellites, while being significantly lighter, down to 230 kilograms from the 1,200 kilograms of the first generation, offers improved performances with a 0.5 meter resolution and a 150 kilometers swath width. Only 1 satellite has been launched so far. Gravity-1. Gravity-1 is a solid-propellant expendable medium-lift launch vehicle designed, manufactured, and launched by Chinese aerospace company Orienspace. It can carry a payload of up to 6.5 tons, 14,000 pounds, to a low Earth orbit or 4.2 tons, 9,300 pounds, to a Sun-synchronous orbit, enabling the deployment of large-scale satellite constellations. The rocket has a height of 30 meters, a take-off weight of 400 tons, a take-off thrust of 600 tons, and a fairing diameter of 4.2 meters. Its maiden launch was conducted from a sea launch platform in the Yellow Sea on January 11, 2024, breaking records as both the world's most powerful solid-fuel carrier rocket and China's most powerful commercial launch vehicle to date. Large pieces of debris were seen during the launch, which carried 3 Yunyeo-1 meteorological satellites built by the Shanghai Academy of Space Flight Technology, as part of the planned 90-satellite Yunyeo constellation. Gravity-1 consists of 7 solid rocket motors, SRB, in total. The first 4 side-mounted SRBs are ignited on the ground, while 3 core boosters are air-lit in sequence. The launch cost for Gravity-1 is around $39 million. Gravity-1 has a quick response time of only 5 hours between manufacturing completion and launch. Orienspace has signed contracts for the launch of more than 100 satellites. Gravity-1 is the most powerful rocket consisting of entirely solid rocket motors. Due to the huge solid rocket motors, large plumes of smoke were produced during the launch. Dongfang Spaceport. The Dongfang Spaceport is a maritime launch center under the jurisdiction of Taiyuan Satellite Launch Center, TSLC, also known as Base 25. Its home port is in Haiyang, Yantai. It uses sea launch platforms to perform launch missions in the exclusive economic zone outside China's territorial waters or in coastal waters. It can accept launch missions from private commercial rockets. The first launch mission was serial number Haiyang mission of Long March 11, LM11, CZ11, on June 5, 2019, at 4:06 Coordinated Universal Time, UTC, which was successful in the Yellow Sea. The recent launch was the first launch of Gravity-1 on January 11, 2024, at 5:30 UTC, which was successful in the Yellow Sea. Changguang Satellite Technology Corporation, CGSTL. The Chongqing Institute of Optics, Fine Mechanics, and Physics, SCIEMP, includes the Changguang Satellite Technology Corporation, Charming Globe or CGSTL, a commercial offshoot of the institute which manufactures remote sensing satellite buses and unmanned aerial vehicles, drones. Changguang Satellite Technology owns Jilin-1 satellite constellation. In September 2024, it launched 6 Jilin Kuanfu satellites. Orienspace Technology, Shandong, Co., Ltd., Orienspace. Orienspace Technology, Shandong, Co., Ltd., Orienspace for short, is a commercial aerospace enterprise in China founded in 2020. The company designs and manufactures Gravity Series launch vehicles and Force Series rocket engines. Orienspace is headquartered in Shandong Province, where an assembly, integration, and test center is being built for future activities. The company also established an R&D center in Beijing office and a headquarters of aerospace propulsion technology in Wuxi, Jiangsu Province. As of October 2023, Orienspace has raised 4 rounds of financing, totaling over $150 million. In January 2024, Orienspace secures 600 million yuan of funding for rocket development amid soaring demand in China.